Hi everyone, I'm Enchanted Moon and welcome to my channel. I have another witchy unboxing for you for August. With love from Tamed Wild. This is the box. And it does come in a white mailer. So if you want it hidden, it definitely comes that way. So again, this is August. Just got out of the shower, guys, so my hair's still wet. All right. Gotta get ready to go to work. Work. But I figured, why not have a fun unboxing before I go? So this is what it looks like when I open. So, let's see what we got. Is that better? All right. So, August, what's the... I'm thinking it's Glamour Magic, because that's what this one says. So that's what I'm going to go with. August is Glamour Magic. So, well, right off the bat, we have a big, huge container, which I've been enjoying these, because these are really nice. My bond tea, because my bond is coming, unfortunately, very quickly. We're still in August, but... all at once, summer collapsed into fall. Very cool. So, we have the big jar, whatever you want to call this, container. I just want to open it up so we can see the contents. My bond tea. It smells good. This is what it looks like. You don't get a whole jar, though. You only get, like, a half. But you can reuse these for sure. I mean, if you got a whole jar or a container, I'm sure that would be a lot and too much money. But anyway, love it. What is this pretty thing? We have a pretty, I think it's pink. I can't tell if it's pink or just clear. But to me, I'm getting a light pink tint. Pretty glass bottle with, what's on top? Does it have a topper? Oh, and it has a topper. It's a perfume bottle. Where you can make your magical oils and spray on yourself. This is really... I don't have one of these. Check that out. Fancy. Old-fashioned. I think this is old-fashioned. So you adhere that on top. And then you would go. Voila. Very cool. Wow. That is awesome. And we have a little dainty doily to put it on. That is cute. And we also have Siberian fir essential oil. That is, oops, I'm trying to get it in there. Where is it even in there? Sorry, guys. It'll get better, I promise. Okay, the Ritual Glamour Magic. Glamour Magic is a form of magic that uses items like perfume, jewelry, oil, makeup, and clothing to cast a spell. So, they give you they give you this ritual if you'd like to follow. You don't have to, but they give it in here just in case, which is nice. It shows you why the items are in the box. And then let's go over August's Tamed Wild box for this month. It is the vintage style perfume bottle. This is not a cheap thing, so it's a very big item. Perfect vessel for manifesting and setting intentions through glamour magic. Not only does this vintage style of perfume conjure up mystical and sparkling energy, but also making your essential oil spray will allow you to imbue the bottle of magical intentions. with magical intentions. Then we have the oil. And this is for trees or sacred furs used for folk medicine and in healing traditions, as well as ritual and magic and planetary magic. It is associated with the planet Jupiter, abundance and growth. It also represents the element of earth, used for blessings, declaring negativity, and supporting intuitive development. So this is just some of the things it's good for. Then the doily. Weaving the magic lace as a practice of magic all on their own. This lace doily is a common thread between you and the ancient past of textile art. Make a special altar for your vintage style perfume bottle and essential oil spray by setting the bottle on this divine lacy doily. I love it. Oh, this is a little bit of a mistake. And you're going to see why I say that. It says full tube of tea. Maban, which I got, or there's another harvest season tea. I don't know which one sounds better. This one contains black tea, organic orange peel, organic cinnamon, and natural flavor. Gotta see what the other one has. This is new for 2022. The tea and herb collection has been new packaging and certifications. This collection has been certified organic and kosher by the USDA. Our tube canister design was created to add the old world aesthetic Tamed Wild is known for, while maintaining the freshness and quality of your herbs. Get your apothecary out of the cupboard and display your herbs and teas on your shelf, not in your kitchen. Not only for teas, these loose herbs can be worked with in your magical practice. Okay, I love it. All right, and it goes about here, about the teas. All right, it says, Maban tea, August is the beginning of the harvest season, as the will turn to fall. It nice to sip on a tea. This black blend contains cinnamon, orange, and rival any pumpkin spice latte. The Harvest Brew is a spirit of harvest. It's time to enjoy the harvest season herbal tea. The harvest is the time for abundance and reaping the benefits of seeds we've sown. Enjoy a cup of this golden blend of citrus flowers, strawberry leaf, blackberry leaf, hibiscus flowers, rose hips, juniper berries, and natural flavors. That really sounds good. While giving thanks, while you count your blessings and give thanks for the magical moments in your life. And then it says stone, chosen at random, a special stone from the Tamed Wild shells of crystals will be selected for you this month. Please visit our website to learn more about the specific properties of each stone. I didn't get a stone. They forgot my stone. I didn't get one. Anyway, so yeah, the only thing is they say it's a full jar, full canister, and this is the second time I've opened them, and it's not full. It's a half. So I don't know if it was full when they filled it and then it, settled. I don't know how that could, it's not like it's a heavy thing, so I don't think that's, all right, so we'll get to the bottom of that. But anyway, I love this box. I love the vintage perfume. I don't have one of those. I really think that's really a very nice piece for anyone to have, magic or not. Really cool. I always like these new canisters. I'm enjoying that. So let me know, guys, what you think. And if you got a stone, because I didn't, and you got the ritual. I'll leave the information about this box in the description below. Have a great day, guys.